Hi everyone, welcome to 30 something beauty. This is another day of 30 days, 30 looks. I'm so tired. You can tell I couldn't say that right. Okay. So as per usual, the base is put on, bronzer put on. Please ignore this on my forehead that no matter what I try to do to conceal, it will not go away. But we're gonna start with blush, and just because of the colors I'm using for my eyes today, I thought the city color would work really nicely. I know I've used it a lot, but I really like it. So I'm gonna go in with the deepest one, the little orangey, kind of matte orangey one. Ooh, okay, I pulled a little too much. I can't decide if I like this e.l.f. blush brush or not. It's not as dense as other blush brushes I have, and I can't decide if that's good or bad. That's done. Now, today, this is the first time using it, we're playing with Gigi Hadid. This is West Coast Cool, I believe. Was there even there was an East Coast one too, right? Oh my gosh, it gives you a little, oh, that's nice. It gives you a little thing on the back of like how to use the colors. Not gonna use it, but you know, that's nice of them. Okay, I just realized there is no good like base color. We're just gonna play. I'm gonna start with this craziness. The shimmers are like real shimmery. Yep, that's a lot. That is a lot. So I'm just gonna put that on the lid because wowza. It's pretty, it's just a lot. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and go into the matte purple and just pull up on the crease from there. And I'm gonna focus more on the inner side today of my eye. You know, just with my hooded lids. I just realized I used an orange color and this is purple, so they're complementary. They're gonna draw a lot out of each other. We may have to go back and mute this buddy. Then I'm gonna take this matte, kind of a purple brown, and just do that right on the edge. Okay, these colors are really nice. Pulling that out a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my smudgy brush and same color, that same brownie one, and just go underneath. And then on top, I'm going to use, still same smudge brush, the kind of chocolate brown color. These are beautiful. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna take the Insane Sparkly one and kind of smudge it into the corner. If I just leave it, it's a little too intense. Now, I'm gonna finish it off with Marc Jacobs in, what is this, Earthquake, lining my rim, and then I'll put on Better Than Sex mascara and I'll come back. Okay, so that is on. I kind of want to blend down my cheek a little bit. I'm gonna use, we're trying things. I'm gonna use Dim and just sort of filter out. This is from the Hourglass palette. And this is Dim Light. I normally like diffuse light, but for this one, for these purposes, this might work better. Okay, I feel like that did help. Okay, now lip. For lip, I am trying the NYX Duochromatic, and I think I'm just gonna go straight gloss today. This is gonna be a very purpley, kind of monochromatic look. This is my first time using it. I just took this out of the package. Okay, that's pretty. Where do you wear this? So this is, I mean, I will say this, it's very much like those Lip Sense ones that I've seen go around. I feel like it really draws out the lines in your lip. I mean, you can see it looks like green and stuff. That's crazy. Okay, so I don't like this alone. That's number one. So I'm going to take it off. We're going to try this again. Okay, let's see if it's different if it goes over something. So I'm just going to use Bite Cashew. And then I'm going to take it and just put it right in the center. And then just kind of rub it around. So, while maybe not how they intended it to be used, I think this is how. Okay, so that kind of blends together. That's a little better for me. It's still a little strange, but this is doable. This I can do. So, gonna finish off today with the Smashbox Primer Water. No highlight or anything. I think my eyes and my lip are enough. So that is it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Please share this with your friends. Hit that like button if you like seeing me try new things. Comment below, what do you think about the lip? And right now you should get suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.